Welcome back to my channel. So during today's video, I am going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the ColourPop's PALLETE Jewel eyeshadow palette. This is like a really nice eyeshadow palette. You get a variety of color in here. The only thing I think is missing is a black eyeshadow. Other than that, it's really pretty. My norm, I never know what I'm going to create when I get on camera. So we're just going to go ahead and wing it. So I am going to start out with my Morphe 441 brush, and it's just this round fluffy blending brush. So I am going to begin with the shade. Let's do the shade, I don't know what they'll say. Well, let's just take this matte purple shade, fuchsia type shade, and we're going to, let me zoom you guys in a bit. Me and this camera, I'm still trying to figure out how to work it, so just bear with me. We're going to take that shade and we're going to place it in the outer V. You want to just stamp it. And stamp a little bit more. I'm just going to continue to just build it before we blend the shade. It's really pretty on the eye. Nice fuchsia, hot pink, purplish shade. Just continue to stamp it. And I primed my eyes today with my Juvia's Place number shade 1 base. I've been liking this lately too. Now we're going to just blend with the tip of the brush. Yeah, let's see. And it's blending really good too. So blend the other eye. Oh yeah, they're blending like really good. And I love ColourPop shadows. They just releasing so much stuff and it's so pretty. Their packaging is like the best to me. I love their packaging. Because at one point I was buying so much ColourPop because of the packaging. I'm going to continue to add a little bit more. I'm liking that. And we're going to diffuse outwards these edges. So now we are going to go in, we're going to keep the same brush. So let's go in with the deeper shade right underneath that shade. And we're going to apply this right on the outer V as well, but we're not going to go as high in the crease area. Just mainly on that lash line, just stamping it, and then we'll blend it once we place it. And you want to do the same thing for the other eye, just stamp it right on that lash line and, you know, on the outer V. And just continue to stamp it. Take a little bit more. You want to make sure it's stamped really good, because you want to make sure this outer V is like really deep. So now we're going to blend just on the outer V. We're not going to go like right up in the crease area. And I'm just blending like back and forth. So now we're going to take our makeup round and wipe off of this brush. We're not going to add any more shadow right now. We're just going to make sure the edges are blended, you know, with this outer V shade and the crease. This is like really pretty. It's coming together so pretty. I'm just making sure this crease area is blended with these shadows too. That's pretty. So we're gonna wipe it off again. And then we're gonna take the deeper shade one more time, the one we just stuck into the outer V, and just place it again to deepen just a little bit more. And the same thing for the other eye. And I'm just blending in circular motions. I'm liking this. So now I want to go in with the Morphe 573 brush, and it's pointed blending brush, and I'm going to blend what's already in the crease. I did not apply any more shadows to this brush just yet because I want to make sure we blend this shade right in the crease area going to the inner corner. Just make sure it's blended really good. Oh, it's so pretty. I like this. That's so pretty. So pretty. So now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced glitter glue. And then we're going to take our two dollops and try something different. And I'm going to kind of mix them on my ring finger. And we're going to place it right on the center, going towards the inner corner and up into the crease just a little bit. And the same thing for the other eye. And I like, I filmed a couple videos, they're not on my channel, but just playing in makeup, and when I did my glitter glue, it like this, I can't explain it, early in the morning my mind's like blank, and place it, it was easier than just placing the glitter glue on the lid, and it was like where it took a little longer to blend it. So now we are going to take the, what's my brush? I go with this messy early this morning. So let's take the, let's do that, yeah, let's take this one. The BH Cosmetics, the V number V6 brush, and it's this large, flat brush. And let's take the shade, I don't know. Let's see. Let's do this, third shade on the third row. Fractal, I guess that's a word. So we're going to place it on the brush and stick it where we placed the glitter glue. Oh, that's pretty. And right in the crease area. I like that. Take a little bit more for the other eye. Right in the crease. This is so pretty. I'm just making sure it's placed right in that crease area. I like this. So now I'm going to take my finger just to make sure it's coated really good in that area. That is so pretty. So now we're going to go in with the Morphe 441 brush that we started with and just blend everything together. Now I did not add any more shadow on this brush. We're just going to make sure everything is blended together. This is like so pretty. So now we're going to take that deep purple shade that we put in the outer V and just place a little bit more back into that area so we can blend this shimmer shade together and deepen up just a little bit. It's like so pretty. I like this look. It's like really pretty. So now we're going to go in with the Morphe 535 brush. And we're going to take the shade. Let's take this lighter shade up here at the top. It's like a peachy type shade. Matte shade. And we're going to place this shade right above the crease area and blend these purple shades together. This is like coming together really pretty. I'm just going to make sure I place a little bit more just to make sure all the shadows are coming together well and pretty. I like that. So now we're going to go in with my little cream brulee eyeshadow with the same brush, and we cleaned it off on our little round, and just make sure we highlight this area. And then it also sets the concealer where I carved out my brows. And just making sure everything else is blended really good. This is so pretty to me. I like it. So now we're going to take our, normally I have this thing out right now, but sorry. Our makeup wipe with our micellar water. My simple. I have to go by TJ Maxx and pick some more of this stuff up. I like this simple. And just clean it up. Okay, so that is the final eye look. I'm trying to make sure I got this blending together before I jump off camera to finish the rest of my face. But yeah, that's the final look, and it's so pretty, so pretty. Just blend this edge one more time. This is like really pretty. Super pretty. So I'm going to do my norm. I'm going to jump off camera and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. See you guys in a bit. Welcome back. This is the final look. I hope you guys like how this look turned out. I love how it turned out. The purple shadow is like so pretty. Everything worked really, really good. If you have not tried out ColourPop eyeshadows and you are into the affordable brand like I am, then I suggest you try ColourPop brand. But this is like a pretty eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna definitely keep this one out so I can do more looks with it, because I want to try the brown shades and the blue and green shades and the gold here. That's really pretty. But again, I do love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video.